Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, you will learn about the working with even numbers, odd numbers, sum of odd numbers in a while loop by using the Python programming language. Let's start the program. Write a program to print even numbers between 1 to 10 by using while loop statement. You need to print even numbers, and you know even number means if remainder is 0, that number is even. X equal to 0, you can take any variable, while x less than equal to 10 colon print x equal to x plus 1. If I will run this program, what will be the output? Now I want to execute this program 1 to 10. Okay, but what I want to do this, my task is print numbers between 1 to 10 by using print even numbers using while loop statement. Okay, I want to print even numbers, not all the numbers. In this case, it will display me all the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, but before going to print, I will apply the condition on this print statement. Okay, I want to restrict this print statement. How can I restrict? When I will bound this statement with the condition. Okay, what will be the condition? I'm writing here, if x percentage 2, if x percentage 2 equal to 0. Here you will check percentage remaining value. Whatever you will enter the number, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number is coming from the loop, from the variable, and it will divided by 2, and if remainder equal to 0, then it will print the following of if statement, and I have written print x and x equal to x plus 1. When I will run this program, it will shows me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I want to show the working of the program. X equal to 1, value of x is 1, while x less than equal to 10, value of x is 1, 1 is less than equal to 10, yes, this is true. Then it will check 1 percentage divided by 2, because divisor is a greater of dividend number, then it will give the as it is, it will give the same number, remainder will be the same, remainder will become the 1 number. 1 equal to 0, no, this is not equal to 0, then it will not display anything. Then it will move to the next statement, and next statement is x equal to x plus 1. Now value of x will become 2. 2 is less than equal to 10, yes, it is true. Then it will check again condition, if 2 divided by 2 equal to 0, and when you will divide 2 with 2, then you will get the remainder 0. 0 equal to 0, yes, this is true. Then you will print value of x, and now value of x is 2. After this, it will increase 1 to a variable of x. Now value of x will become 3. 3 is less than now it will check the condition, 3 less than equal to 10, yes, it is true. Then 3 percentage divided by 2 means 1, you will get the remainder 1. 1 equal to 0, no, it will not print anything. Now it will increase the value of x, value of x will become 4, and then it will check again condition, x4 less than equal to 10, yes, it is true. Then it will check the condition, x divided by 2 mean 4 percentage 2, it will give to 0, because when you will divide 4 by 2, you will get remainder is 0. 0 equal to 0, yes, it will display the value of x, and now value of x is 4. Next it will increase the value of x, value of x will become the 5, and then again it will check the condition, 5 is less than equal to 10, yes, it is true. Then it will check 5 percentage 2 equal to 0, 5 percentage 2, you will get the remainder is 1. In case of 1 is not equal to 0, condition will be false. Then it will move to the next statement. Next statement is increment in 1. Now increment is in x. Okay, now x will become 6. 6 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it is true. Then it will check 6 percentage 2. It will get the remainder 6 divided by 2, and it will get the remainder. Remainder is 0. And in case of 0 equal to 0, yes, then it will display the value of x. Value of x is 6. Then it will increase value of x, and value of x will become 7. It will check condition again. 7 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it is true. Then it will display 7 percentage 2 equal to 0. This is again checking the condition while printing whether they will print x or not. Now 7 percentage 2, it will give you 1 equal to 0. Condition is false, and it will not display value of x. It will increase value in x, that is say 8, and 8 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it is true. 8 divided by 2, you will get remainder 0. In case of 0 equal to 0, yes, this is true, and it will display the value of x, that is 8. Increase the value of x, that is 9, and 9 less than equal to 10. Yes, it is true, and remainder of 9 is 1 equal to 0. No. And then it will increase the value of x. A value of x will become 10, and in case of 10 less than equal to 10, yes, it is true, and 10 percentage divided by 2 equal to 0. It will give you 0 equal to 0. Yes, and it will display the value of x, and value of x is 10. Increase the value of x, it will become 11. Now it will check again. 11 is less than equal to 10. That is false. 11 is not less than equal to 10, and in that case it will ignore the body of the while loop. Next it will move to the next statement after the body of the while loop. Next program is write a program to calculate the sum of first 10 odd numbers. Sum of first 10 odd numbers, also print the odd numbers. First I want to display odd number, then I will add the sum of. How I can get odd number? If I will get remainder 1, it will give me odd number. I will show you. 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, I want to sum of these numbers. Okay, when I want to sum of these number, before going to calculate sum, I need one variable with the value of 0, that is sum equal to 0. Okay, now I will add sum equal to sum plus x. Sum plus x. Okay, and I have written inside the body of the if condition. Inside the body of the if condition. Okay, when it will be calculate the sum, when it will be odd number, sum equal to sum plus x. Okay, and this is the x equal to x plus 1, that is in body of the while loop. It will be executed every time, because while loop need the updated value. Okay, and it must be given at each iteration. After this, when loop will be finished, then I want to display print sum of first 10 odd numbers equal to sum. Sum of first 10 odd numbers equal to 25. If you will add 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7 25. Okay, sum of first 10 odd numbers equal to 25. Okay, mean 10 odd number 1 2 3 4 5. I want to calculate the first 10 number. How many are the odd numbers from 1 to 10? Then I want to add those numbers, the sum of those numbers. Program number 3, write a program to print the square of all the numbers from 1 to 10. The output should be given as below: number, square, and cube. Number 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on 10. This is the square of, suppose 1 square is 1, cube is also 1. Number 2 square is 4 and cube is 8, like that. First of all, I want to write number. I will give the space after number, square, after this square, cube, x equal to 1, while x less than equal to 10, while less than equal to 10, and it will shows me print x only. Just I want to display first x. Okay, because I will show you step by step. X equal to x plus 1. Okay, when you will run this program, okay, number 1 2 3 4 5 so on, you are getting the output. Number 1 2 3 4 5. Now you need to square. or you will get the square, comma, x multiplied by x. This will give you the square. 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. It will give you the square. But if you want to give the space, you can also give the space in between them. Okay, because I want to give this space, then it will display. Now check the readability. No, I want to give little more space. Okay, now check the readability. Yes, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, so on. Okay, after this I want to print the cube. This is square, comma, I'm giving the space, and then cube. Or I will get cube, x times x, x multiplied by x, x multiplied by x 3 times. I will multiply by x 3 times. Run it. It will show me 1, 2, 4, 8, 3, 27, 4, 16, 64, 5, 25, 125, 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, in this way they will display all the values. Student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you. Jazakallah khair.